Baby Massage Beginner's Guide. Baby massage is a long-standing parenting tradition that has been in practice for more than thousands of years. It is followed in various cultures including Asian, African, Russian, and since 1990 has gained massive popularity in the UK, too. Many studies have shown that infant massage offers several benefits. How to massage a baby. Infant massage is a lovely way to bond and have a fun time with your baby. Natural baby oils or moisturizers can be used for massaging babies. Begin with a gentle, stroking touch and glide your fingers smoothly over the baby's skin. Then, massage the baby's wrists, ankles, and fingers. Potential benefits of baby massage. A regular baby massage offers numerous benefits. In general, massaging a newborn largely helps the baby to stay calm, relaxed, cry less, and sleep better. In addition, it also boosts the immune system and promotes physical and mental strength. Massaging stimulates the release of hormones like oxytocin, prolactin, and other endorphins that elevate the mood, improves the duration of sleep and leads to increased levels of relaxation, improves muscle tone and lowers muscle stiffness, regulates the sleep or wake cycle of the baby, enhances the production of hormones, supports digestion and aids in toning the digestive tract. Through released endorphins, it helps remove emotional stress, promotes infant-parent attachment. Some of the parental benefits of a baby massage routine are staying closer to the baby, a time for both parent and baby to relax together, an opportunity for dads to spend quality time with their babies, helps assess baby's body and behavior, boosts confidence and parenting skills to care for the baby. Baby massage standard procedure. Initially, you may start by massaging the baby's legs. Do this until the baby gets used to it. Then gradually get going with a massaging routine. Simply move on to baby's legs, arms, hands, and body. After a period of time, it gradually helps in reading the baby's cues. There are many massage mediums like natural baby oils and creams. For massaging babies, choose the best oil considering the baby's delicate skin type. Almond oil is widely used for massaging babies due to its various benefits. Almond oil is rich in vitamins A, D, and E and helps moisturize the baby's skin. Coconut oil, a natural moisturizer, can also be used for massaging babies. Check out the step-by-step guide to starting the massaging routine. Takia, small drop of almond oil or moisturizing cream. Rub it on your palms. Gently massage the baby's skin, starting with the legs. Affectionately squeeze the baby calves and thighs. Then, place both the hands on the baby's center and get going with the chest and tummy. Use fingers to stroke in an outward direction, in small circles. Just continue the skin-to-skin contact process until the infant sleeps.